The braids is super cute. It's giving summertime vibe. Butterfly locks is like, oh my god, different hairstyle, different vibes. So hey royals, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I installed these cute butterfly locks that I got from Tototress. This is their 8-inch pre-looped butterfly locks. I'll leave all the information in my description bar down below if you are interested in purchasing these braids. So I'm going to be showing you how I did my braiding pattern. I'm going to be showing you how I installed it and also how I cut it into this cute little blunt bob. And it's actually a cute hairstyle for the summer. It's cute, and the bob with these butterfly locks is bomb. So if you are interested in that kind of content, so I'll keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't as yet. Give this video a big thumbs up and to comment in the comment section bar down below. So with no further ado, let's jump right into this. So the crochet braids that I'm going to be installing today is from Tototress. This is their 8-inch 1B colored butterfly locks braids. Inside of the package I received a thank you card and a crochet hook, as well as 8 smaller packs of the pre-looped crochet braids, and on each of the loop there is 10 smaller pre-looped braids in each of the package. So I'm going ahead to show you my braiding pattern before I actually install these passion butterfly locks. So let's jump right into the installation process. So the first thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be prepping my hair. So to get started, the first thing I like to do is to moisturize my hair with my Do Grow Hair Vitalizer before I begin to braid. So I already went ahead to section out my hair into 2 sections, to the front and to the back. So I'm just going to be working on the front portion of my hair. So I'm going in with my Murray's Australian beeswax just to tame my natural hair a bit before I start the braiding process. So I'm going ahead to finish up the front portion of my hair before I start with the back of my hair. So when I'm finished with the front portion of my hair, I'm going to be starting to work on the side portion. I'm doing individual cornrows just to each sides of my hair, and then I'm going to be doing a section to the back of my hair so that when I actually put my hair up in one, it would actually look like it's growing out of my scalp. So I'm just sectioning out the back portion, and I'm going to be doing 2 rows of individual braids as well. So I'm just working on that. So when I'm finished with the back portion, I'm going to be joining the individual braids to the front, to the middle portion, and I'm just going to be doing cornrows to the middle portion of my hair. So I'm going to be joining the 4 braids that I did to the front with the middle portion. So I'm just going to work on that until my entire head is completed, and then we are going to be starting with the installation process of my crochet butterfly locks. So after I get my braiding pattern down pat, I'm going to be starting with the installation process. So I'm just going to be taking my crochet hook, I'm pushing it downwards and I'm pulling the hair through, and I'm just going to be looping that one time. I actually put the crochet needle through downwards because it would actually fall instead of having the braids looking like it's sticking out. So by pushing the crochet needle downwards, it would actually give you an illusion as though the braids is growing out of your scalp. So I'm going to be doing that process until the entire top portion of my hair is filled with the pre-looped butterfly locks. Again, I'm pushing the crochet needle downward, I'm pulling the hair through, and then I'm going to pull the end of the hair in as well to give that pre-looped braids a knot. So I'm just going to be working on that until the entire section to the top portion of my hair is filled up, and then we're going to be starting with the back portion of my hair. So I'm just going to continue to work on the front portion of my hair until the entire section is filled up, and then I'm going to be starting with the back portion of my hair. So again, to the front portion, I'm just pushing the crochet needle downward, I'm looping the hair, pulling it through, and then I'm just going to wrap that around one time, and then I'm going to be starting with the back portion of my hair when I get the entire section to the front filled up. And then to the back portion, instead of pushing the crochet needle downwards, I'm pushing it upwards. I'm latching the pre-loop braids onto the crochet hook and I'm pulling it downwards, and then I'm just gonna loop that around. So after I finish the back portion of my hair, I'm just gonna finish to finesse my hair by cutting the braids into this blunt bob. So I'm just going to cut the hair so that the hair can be even. And that was basically all I did for this install. It was super quick and easy, and I really love how the look came out. And as you guys can see, the blunt cut is giving, like, it's super cute, and that's the end result of my install, you guys. So you guys, this is the end result of my crochet braids install. It was super easy to install the braids, but when it comes to the braiding pattern, it took a while, but it was really fast. I installed these braids within 2 hours or an hour and a half, and I also went ahead and cut it into this cute little blunt cut, as you guys can see, and it's super cute. I actually like it with the cute little blunt cut because, as you guys would see before, it was a bit uneven, so I just wanted to go in and like level the braids up. And a lot of persons are worried about, like, if you cut the ends, would they unravel? They would only unravel if you pull on them, but I didn't burn the ends. And inside of the pack, it came with 8 smaller packs with 10 pre-looped braids, so it was actually 80 pre-looped braids in all, and I actually used all the braids to do this install, and it came out really cute. I'm not really a fan of butterfly locks in general, but I just had to try it out to see if it would actually fit me, and I actually like it with the blunt cut. But so far the style turned out really cute. Look out for more protective style videos from me as well. I'm going back to my roots when it comes to cheap and affordable hairstyles for the summer, and I'm actually loving bob hairstyles now. The braids is super cute, different hairstyle, different vibes. So the butterfly locks is a whole vibe, you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video, and always remember to put God first in everything that you do.